wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We are going to catch, inshallah, for the Malaysian flight that has disappeared some 3 years ago. It has disappeared in March 2014. So the flight called MH370. And researchers have been going from many countries, Australia of course, China of course, because it was going from Australia to China, but also, no, from Malaysia, excuse me, to China, but also Australia has helped, America has helped, India, and after over 1,000 days, so from March 2014 up till January 2017, they stopped the research. And they find nothing, no sign. And the report says this is inconceivable. It is inconceivable how this thing can happen. Now there's many theories. We don't want to talk about theories. We just want to talk about facts. And we're going to do the jinn catching to see on the jinn side what information can we have. Maybe it is nothing. They say the plane just fell in the water and that's it. Inshallah, the jinns that have a link with this airplane that disappeared, and see what's going to happen, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن وليي الله الذي نزل الكتاب وهو يتولى الصالحين. Hello. You have a link with this airplane that disappeared?
Yes.
So explain to us, what is your link?
No.
No?
It's a very big link.
Very big link?
Yes.
So what is it?
No.
You can't say it.
We are bound.
You are attached.
Bound.
Okay, let's help you, inshallah. أولم يرى الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما 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 ففتقناهما.
We're attached and bound.
وقدمنا إلى ما عملوا من عمل فجعلناه هباء منثورا وينزل عليكم من السماء ماء ليطهركم به ويذهب عنكم رجز الشيطان وليربط على قلوبكم ويثبت به الأقدام فأتى الله بنيانهم من القواعد فخر عليهم السقف من فوقهم وأتاهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون. Oh, you are Illuminatis. You are shayateen? Can you speak now?
Yes.
Okay, tell us what happened to this airplane.
No.
So what can you say? You just can't speak.
Secret.
It's a secret. يوم تبلى السرائر يوم تبلى السرائر يوم تبلى السرائر. Is what's happening?
Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We have the sacrifice.
You have the sacrifice.
Yes.
Those people in the plane have been sacrificed. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
So what happened exactly?
We have the sacrifice in the water.
Oh, they were sacrificed for you in the water.
Yes.
But where's the plane?
It's gone.
In the water?
No.
Where?
It's in America.
It's in America.
Yes.
So the plane has been hijacked.
Yes.
And they have a technology to hijack the planes without being able to find any sign of the plane.
It's under the earth, the compound.
Say again?
Under the earth, the compound.
There's a compound under the earth.
Yes.
So the airplane is somewhere underground in America.
Yes.
So another plane came to hijack it?
No.
How? The people were inside the plane who hijacked it?
No.
So how did it happen?
We took the plane down.
The jinns took the plane.
Yes.
The jinns took the plane
Yes.
without any human being interfering. Subhanallah. And you made it disappear and took it somewhere in America.
Yes,
Is that?
they came and they take the plane, put it on the ground.
They came, they took the plane, they put it on the ground. Is that human or jinns?
The human.
So where did you put the plane? Under the water?
In the water, we take it down.
Oh, the jinns, you put the plane down in the water?
Yes.
And some people were ready to take the plane
Yes.
and take it to America.
Yes.
And the plane did not smash, did not break.
No.
It came in the water, it stayed entire.
We carry
You took it
water.
in the water. And all the people inside the plane,
Sacrifice. Sacrifice.
so it is the humans who killed them.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
The people took the plane with the people inside,
Yes.
all entire, and they killed all the people inside the plane.
Yes. Yes.
And the plane is somewhere underground in the United States.
Yes. Arizona.
In Arizona?
Yes.
Okay. In the desert.